Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of Anchovy Aviyal or Nethili Aviyal. Firstly, we have to prepare a masala paste. For that, grind 1 cup of coconut, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 5 shallots and few curry leaves. Grind it nicely into a thick coarse paste by adding very little amount of water. This is the masala paste and it should be a quite thick consistency. I'm going to prepare Anchovy Aviyal in this clay pot. Well, these are the ingredients required to make Nethili Aviyal. Drumstick and raw mango gives nice flavor to the aviyal. Take 300 grams of cleaned anchovies. To that add in 1 drumstick, half a cup of sliced shallots, 2 green chilies and 1 small raw mango. I have taken 1 small size mango. If you have larger size mango means you can take half mango. This is so easy to make, just mix all the ingredients and cook it. Add in the coconut masala paste. In goes salt as needed. Add in half cup of tamarind juice. If the mango is too sour means reduce the quantity of tamarind juice. Add in curry leaf as needed and half a cup of water. Mix in all the ingredients. Cover it with the lid and cook it in medium flame. Give it a stir in the middle so that it cooks evenly. Nethili Aviyal goes well with rasam rice and sambar rice. At this point of time, you can check for salt and add if required. Stir it gently so that the fish pieces doesn't break. The fish and the vegetables are cooked well. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It took nearly 30 minutes to prepare this dish. Add in few curry leaves and give it a mix. My amma is only preparing this and this is quite famous in Nagercoil. Delicious Anchovy Aviyal or Nethili Aviyal is ready to be served now. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.